Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the tools that make your workspace smarter, cleaner, and more creative. Today we're taking a close look at a surprisingly powerful little upgrade for streamers, musicians, editors, and anyone using a Stream Deck Plus. This is the articulating under-desk mount with a ratchet-up sliding mechanism. Designed specifically to hold your Stream Deck Plus right where you need it, without cluttering your desk. Let's start with the problem this product solves. If you've used a Stream Deck Plus for any length of time, you already know how valuable it is for streaming, audio mixing, shortcuts, macros, scene switching, and so much more. But the placement is always tricky. Put it flat on your desk, and it takes up space. Put it too far away, and you're stretching. Raise it too high, and it feels awkward. What this mount does is give your setup a dedicated home for the Stream Deck Plus that stays out of the way when you're not using it, and moves into the perfect position the moment you need it. As soon as you take it out of the box, the construction stands out. The entire frame is built from heavy-duty metal, and despite weighing only about 3 ounces, it feels sturdy and rigid. There's no wobble or flex, which is essential during long sessions where you're constantly twisting dials or tapping the LCD keys. You also get all the hardware you need for mounting, and installation is extremely straightforward. As long as you have a standard desk surface with enough clearance underneath, this mount will fit. Once installed, this is where things get interesting. The ratchet-up sliding system allows you to raise or lower the Stream Deck Plus with satisfying precision. Whether you're sitting back editing, leaning forward mixing audio, or standing during a stream, you can adjust this mount to match your workflow instantly. And because it's articulating, you can angle the device exactly how you want it, reducing strain and giving you the best viewing angle for the touch strip, the dials, and the LCD keys. One of the best features is how space-efficient it is. The mount tucks completely under the desk when you're done, sliding out of your way so your workstation stays clean and open. Then, with one pull, it glides forward into position ready for action. This makes a huge difference for creators who want a minimal, uncluttered setup without sacrificing functionality. In real-world use, this mount shines for streamers and content creators who rely on quick transitions, audio tweaks, or multi-app workflows. With the controller shifted off the desktop yet always within reach, muscle memory becomes faster and cleaner. It also works beautifully for music producers who constantly adjust levels, or video editors who rely on macro keys to speed up their cutting workflow. To sum it up, this articulating under-desk mount is one of those accessories you don't realize you needed until you try it. It elevates your setup, both literally and figuratively, by giving your Stream Deck Plus a dedicated, ergonomic, space-saving home. The adjustable movement feels solid, the sliding system is smooth, and the whole mount integrates into your workspace in a way that instantly feels natural. If you're building a professional streaming station or just want a cleaner environment with better control placement, this might be the smartest little upgrade you make this year. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into creator gear, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.